Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing an Instant Pot recipe. I got some onions, got some ground turkey. What I'm going to do is I'm going to saute it up in the Instant Pot and then add the onions, add some seasoning. I'm going to be using my AeroGarden that you probably saw in a previous video. It's got a lot of dill I need to use up right now and some parsley. So I'm going to throw all that in there and then add some carrots to it and then should be good. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to put that all in a video and be right back. So I have the turkey in there, ground turkey. I got the onions. I got seasoned, as you can see. I'm going to hit it on the saute button right now for 30 minutes. It's going to start steaming, cooking. I'm going to add my herbs from my AeroGarden. As you can see, I'm going to use these up and then put them in here and then add some carrots to it and then we're good to go. So stay tuned. Alright, so the turkey's all done here. The carrots are in there. The onions are in there. And now I'm going to add some rice, and then I'm going to hit it on the rice button here, and then just let that cook up, and it should be all done with the rice and all the stuff all done. So just be right back. So the rice is in there now. So when you guys want to prepare this, you want to make sure the rice is totally submerged in the water, or else it's not going to cook at all, and you're going to have hard rice that you're not going to want to chew. So so it's all totally submerged now. Make sure it's got adequate amount of water. That's really important. There you go. Totally done there. Okay, totally ready to go. Alright. So, I'm going to put the lid on. Okay, that's in. Hit that button. That's it. Now you just wait for it to cook up, and yeah, be right back. Do a quick taste test for you when it's all done. Alright guys, so it's all done here. As you can see, the rice is all done. The turkey's all done. Let's do a quick taste test. Got a little bit of onion there as well. It's really good. You get the flavor from the rice that pours in with the, because the turkey was in there. You got the herbs, you got the seasoning all done. Definitely check it out guys. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel. It's an easy way to make your dinner.